there's 20. On over, about 10 feet, easy down, 7, I got the hook, hold that. Easy up, about 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and attention. All the shackles look good. Easy up. Easy up. Coming up. There's about 15. Looking good. Flying real good. See you. That one's 180 out. Let's say 60 up. Starting to turn, looking good. Looking good. About 40, 50. Alright, that's about 40. That's about 25, 15, about 10. We're just out of reach of a tagline. And I got a tagline, hold that. It's coming over. He's going to hold this side. You're about 6 up right there. Looking good, holding it real nice. He's just out of reach of that other tagline. He's going to try and get a hand on it. Slide left for me a little bit. You're drifting down a little bit too little up for me. Little up. That'll do. He's spinning, trying to get that tag line. Just out of reach. All right, he's got it. Easy down. Easy down. 3. Easy down. 2. Easy down. We're at 1. And hold that. Oh, we got to push it. And easy down. 2. Easy down. Coming down. Hold that. Hold that, we're looking. Alright, we're good, man. Come on down, cut your loose. Nice. I'm gonna put this on that hook while he's doing it so he doesn't get shocked.